Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write the letter W. Okay, the letter W is basically a V just with one additional stroke. So we go down, up, down, a little bit up, and that's from this point it becomes basically a V. And the same approaches you can use here. You can use the connector a little bit higher, or inside, or I really like to use the one like this, where the last stroke is a little bit higher than the line height. Let's try it with a brush pen now. My brush pens become more and more vary on the tip, so it's not super awesome and neat looking now, but I will try to show my best. So the most basic stroke, then another one slightly tilted inwards, the letter, and going up with a thin stroke and connector. This one is very connected inside the line height, and let's try the last one here. Okay, and for this one I really like to start where I actually want to finish the letter, the last stroke. So I start somewhere in here and go down. Okay, yes, something like this, probably a little more curved inside here, something like that. Okay, that's cool. And now let's try to write some words. We will start with the word west. So that will be basic W. That I will connect inside, then E, S, and the T. Okay, that's cool. Now let's try the word wind. For this one I will choose this really cool style, so it really looks like wind. The angle here is pretty big compared to the other letterings I did for the course. Okay, yes. Yes, that's nice. Really looks like a wind. And now let's try the word snow. I think it wouldn't fit in here, so we can draw it somewhere in here. It's my favorite letter S. and O we will connect like this, and W like this one. Okay, and now for some brush pen. This one is new and feels really cool to use. Okay, now we can add some more volume here. The first letter can be a little bit thicker than the other ones, to really pay attention to the proportions of the S, so it will look nice and clean. Adding something more here, the connector and the really bold W. Okay, that looks super cool. And that's how you write the letter W.